WWE NXT uko imikino yagenze. Quick recap on the result of WWE NXT. North American Championship, Myles Borne defeated Hendrix to retain his title. Lucien defeated Izzy following a ringside distraction from Shawn Spears. BirthRight, Shining Stars, Lorenzo and Uriah defeated OTM, Bronco, Nima and Lucien Price. Shiloh defeated Tristan with a top rope super neck breaker. Major highlight and segment: Grayson Waller returns. Waller made a surprise appearance to open the broadcast, hijacking the microphone to tear down the entire NXT main division as a soft and declare his intent to capture the NXT Championship. Cruz Montana statement: The newly signed Cruz Montana, formerly Mike Santana, made his official promo appearance to eye the top prize. He prompted a confrontation with reigning NXT champion Tony D'Angelo, which Waller subsequently tried to blindside. OTM tension following OTM's loss. Angel and Berto Los Garza made an appearance to question Bronco Nima's allegiance, teasing friction within the group. NXT Underground hype. Visual package aired highlights the training regime of Kendall Gray and Laura Vice as they prepare for the upcoming NXT Underground match next week. Kuniko imikino yagenze. Myles Borne yatsinze Hendrix, Lizzy atsinda Izzy, BirthRight aribo Shining Stars, Lorenzo ndetse na Uriah batsinda OTM aribo Bronco, Nima ndetse na Lucien Price. Shiloh atsinda Tristan Angel. This took place during the episode of WWE NXT on the 28th of July 2026. Thank you for your time. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any suggestion, recommendation, or comment, wakoze kubana nanjye, tegereza cyangwa inyunganizi wanyu muri comment. Iyo kandi subscribe kugira ibyiza.